I'm making hot wings. Hope y'all having a great Sunday. My man didn't get me the sauce that I asked for. He brought me hot sauce, but my daughter brought me some sauce from her job, Wingstop. So I shook these up in there. We'll see how they taste. I got some with floured and some with no flour on it. Just seasoned them and threw them, well, wash my chicken first. Seasoned them and threw them right in the grease. And then some I put in flour. Okay, after I put the sauce on there that my daughter gave me, I put it back in the grease and let it fry some more. So the seasoning and the spiciness can definitely be in there. Well, no, I'm lying. I put it back in the grease because it wasn't done. It was pink in the middle. Anyway, y'all have a good Sunday. Put some of this burnt chicken in here. Cover it up. Remember, I got some with flour, some without flour. These are the ones with the extra sauce on it right here. Yeah. Ooh, honey. It's Cajun. It's Cajun Sunday. That's what we call it. These bigger ones I'm about to open up. But they were floating, so I thought they were done. Ooh, it's too hot. Heck, if it's pink after this, they can just throw it away, honey. Because your girl ain't, Alright. See, these look dark because remember, I already had it in the sauce and I put it back in the grease. It was only that one, but still. I was like, nope, not taking any chances. I was straight that come out of there. My daughter didn't know I was making hot wings tonight. She just happened to come over and had some food with her from work. And this sauce. She got another little cup of the habanero or whatever it's called. But I'm about to add some hot sauce to this. To make it full. Wait, what?
I don't want them.
Oh, wow. It looked that bad? My baby don't even want none. It's okay. What's for the grown people anyway? It looks what?
It looks spicy.
Oh, okay. I thought you was talking about how Cajun it looks.
I'm grown.
Oh, don't play with me. Nevaeh and Maya, y'all want to taste some?
It's spicy.
Sarai said yes. Sarai, Soleil, Nevaeh, Maya, Alani. Y'all want some?
No.
Okay. Okay, you can get one now. Hopefully it ain't pink.
No, in the bag.
I don't know. Bite that one and let me see what it looks like inside.
I said in the bag.
Put it under here.
Yeah. Why do you got it different?
Yay, success.